Hello, this is George from georgepauley.com coming to you, and we're going to review second wave systems. We're going to go over some bonuses. We're going to go over what it is, what do you have to do, and if you actually do that, will this work out? Will it make you some money? Because I think that's the one of the biggest questions. So here we're on the second wave system. This is in the actual program if you decide to get it. And by the way, if you are interested in get it, there's a link down in the YouTube description. Click onto that, you'll go to a bonus page. I'll show you that in a minute. But what is this second wave system? The second wave system is it's a way going back to the basics for complete new people. What can you do and what will work? So what they've done is they've put together some really unique offers that anybody and everybody can start to promote. And they go through step by step how to promote them and how it all works. And they give you all the information that you possibly need to get going. Now, just like everything else, there is traffic, okay? So traffic is always a big deal because if you have an offer, how do you get people there? If you've got a restaurant, how do you get people to walk in? Okay, you need some traffic and so forth. So I've put together some insane bonuses here for you that will help you get more traffic quicker and cover a little bit larger scale areas so you can boost your results and make a really good, fantastic business of this. So again, down below in the description of the YouTube video, there is a get second wave system and the bonuses. Click here. If you click here, you're going to come to this bonus page here, which is George's Insane Bonuses. And then from here, if you decide to pick the product up, click on one of these green boxes here. Now there is a countdown timer because they're running a special and you're going to want to take advantage of it before the special's over, of course. But what they've done is, with this pandemic, this is November 2020 right now, just going into the second week. And the world has just turned upside down. What are people going to do? And, people started going back to work and now they're going to be back at home. And so there's a lot of people, the statistics show really 95% of the people don't make money online in their business. And they go from business to business to business. So this is kind of a second wind, meaning that you'll get a second chance, or hey, put everything aside that you've already tried and hit this right now, because this is a very simple, it has a lot of traction already, and I think that if you want to take a stab at it, this is a good place to start. Maybe not a good place to finish. This is a good place to start, get your traction, make some money, and then grow from there. So again, what is the second wave all about? Just talked about this global pandemic and getting back to basics. So let's just what works. What works, and people need to make some money right now because they're in dire, desperate need. There's a lot of change systems. So this has got a proven system, yes, step by step in how to find really good offers. And you don't need a list, you don't need any paid traffic, there's no review videos needed, just a couple of plug and play things. No website, no technical skills, a few technical skills, but if you're watching this, you can handle that. And some free methods to drive traffic. Now again, I want to always talk about traffic because there are so many lies about traffic, let's just say, where they say, hey, free traffic, get this and that, but it's really not. There's a lot of time, it's complicated, and people just kind of get frustrated. I've been through that more than once. I got good at it, and it's not something that I'd like to go through again. But the traffic, using some specific ways that you can easily plug into and start hooking up on it, they've got this for you. They've got this. So what does this cost? What does this cost? $12.95 or $9.95 downsell. Super basic method. You're going to find top 5 best-selling Clickbank products. Now that's what this is all based upon, is promoting Clickbank products. If you don't know what that is, Clickbank is a company that people have already put together offers. They've posted them there, and then people like you or me or other people say, yeah, I want to sell this, I want to sell this, I want to sell this. Kind of like an Amazon type thing where there's all kinds of stuff there. People just go there and they buy it. Um, First upsell here for $37 or downsell of $17 if you don't decide to take it. Dodd has put together a pro version of every product that he has made and sold to over 16,000 people in the money-making opportunity niches. So you'll get access to all that. Then number 2 here for $97 or $47 downsell, you get 3 done-for-you campaigns each and every week. Dodd is someone who just keeps on producing and producing and producing, and so hey, he'll get you on the list, and every time he comes out with something new, you'll get it. Reseller rights. If this works out for you and you got a friend, you got a brother or a sister, hey, sell this to them. Number 4, 9747. This is a pixel of Dodd's previous sales pages. So a pixel is kind of like a handy helper that already knows who the specific people are that will buy your offers. If you have that pixel, then traffic is what are they call it? Traffic is driven towards those types of people. It's not driven towards. It's like you got perfume for women. You don't want to sell it to men. You want to sell it to women. Number 5 here is a VIP package, which those are upgrades. Okay, so anyways, this demo here of second wave system, you can watch it on the sales page, or you can click on the link down below and you get a watch of this here. So got some bonuses here. What are the bonuses? Now this is what's going to help you guys get going faster, and when you do get going, with more firm. Okay, so Atomic done for you. It's going to get more traffic to your affiliate offers. It's worth $427.95. So even if you take the $10 version of this, you're going to get this also. So this has 50 done for you products that you can promote as add-ons. So if if you like this and you're gonna go to these Clickbank offers, and one of them is a really good selling weight loss and diet program and health product, people might be on the fence. Well, I just really don't know. But you know what? You give them one of these other 50 products right here, and then bam, you get them. Okay. Bonus number 2, valued at $46. Introduction to affiliate marketing, because that's exactly what this Clickbank is. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is because you're brand new, hey, this is it. Okay. Bonus number 3, how to get more traffic. Again, the traffic is what is important. Okay. You've got to have traffic. Got a restaurant, you need customers. Valued at $267. This here is insurgency. This is really gets back down to the basics on how do you announce to the world, to the marketing world, hey, I've got something here. You guys might want to take a look at it. And then number 5 over here, the .com secrets. This is an underground playbook for growing your company. So let's say that you've been in affiliate marketing, and I'm assuming you don't know Russell Brunson or you don't have this .com secrets book. This deal here, it's a free book plus shipping. If you're in the United States, it's like $7. If you're out of the country, I think you can download it. But what this does for you is what are the fundamentals, the building blocks, so you can build your affiliate marketing, because you've got the other tools from Dodd, but you're going to want a good foundation because you don't want what you build to topple over. So you're going to get this also. Now, bonus number 6, valued at $5.95. These are all of Dodd's bonuses that are going to be included. Ducky Dollars, and this is the lockdown formula. TikTok money, the top 7 niches online. You're going to get those, okay? Top 3, health, wealth, and relationships. And this one over here, the 8 top high ticket programs. High ticket is like commission in your pocket, like $500. So anyways, this will be delivered on Warrior Plus. There will be instructions on your email on how this works, or just leave me a comment down below. Again, if you like this, click below. You'll get to this page, click on one of these green buttons, and then you can go to the sales page right here, which you can go through this if you like, but basically if you want to get this, click on one of these blue buttons. Now, inside this here, this is pretty simple. It's a number of training videos on these two, James and Dodd's experience with marketing. Okay, so you're going to get years and years of all their ups and a lot of their downs, so you can get past that over their shoulders. The main training sessions. Look, offer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 good offers here for you to promote. Resources area here. Squeeze pages, all this other stuff to help you get to that next step. This is a building block. Start here and then go up, up, and they're going to walk you through all that. So 30-day money-back guarantee. Let me see what else is over here. Yeah, there's the 30-day money-back guarantee. So anyways, if you decide to like it, go ahead, click on the link below. You'll get to George's Insane Bonus Bundle. Then from there, click on one of these green boxes, and you'll go over to the sales page. You can get it from there. So thanks, guys. Have a fantastic day, and go make some money. Bam!